So if we draw the line, okay, this is just continue from the previous video. We just do draw line location that you want to start, which is x1, y1, x1 about 100 pixel. That's the first point. Second point is, if I want it to be flat like that, horizontal line, then y should be the same. Just increasing my x, right? If I have like 500, it's going to be like straight through, right? Like that. Okay. So you can make your vertical line for your tic-tac-toe. You just need to calculate this correctly, right? Well, if I want to do vertical line, let's say I'm going to cross that line. That means, let's say cross about, since that about half, so 250. That's my, I have to look at starting point. It should be around here. That's x, right? 250, and down about, oh, this is x, and y should be 0, right? If I start from the beginning, the top. Yeah, y 0. And down here, this is just the coordinates, right? In xy plane, in math. Down here should be same 250, and let's say same size 500. So we run this. So you just get something like that. Make sense? So you just need to calculate it correctly. So just put it on your scratch paper first and mark that coordinates, and it should be easy from there. So next, I mean, this one works already with the Applet viewer, but we said we want to display this on the web page, since Applet is embedding Java code on the web page. We need to create an HTML file, because web page is an HTML. Let's learn basic HTML. It's very easy. Not the class. New file. I'm going to put in chapter 1.3 then, not in the source. Okay. I mean, you can create the folder if you want, but I want to separate sources for Java, since this is for HTML. You can create a new folder for HTML too, and I'm going to name it Applet.html. This is a web page, it's .html. It's just use browser to open it because HTML. Now we don't need that. We actually want to open with text editors, then we can edit, right? Not the browser, because Eclipse also have its own browser like Chrome. So HTML, that's how you do HTML. Open and close. Open the tag. Inside the tag, just say HTML. Closing the tag, HTML, and then we can start to do object. Alright. Open object and close the object. And you need to embed the code.class. So that's why it's very important that one is code type, class ID. Right? So these are attributes for that object. So we said code type application Java, and another one is class ID equals to, class ID pretty much just refer to the class name. So our class name here is happyface.class. Now I actually need to know where is this .class to. It should reside in the same location,
or I have to specify the path to that class, otherwise it's not going to work.
Width and height, you can just specify the size of the width and height, how big you want to embed inside a web page. Say 500. Okay, height 500. So what we're doing here, we just create a web page to display your. If you want to type some message, you can type here like hello. This is just a web page message. And now you can right click and open with web browser. You see the word hello world, but Applet is not coming, which they were expecting because the path is not correct. So let me just simple test first before doing the path. Just move it into the same location. Just copy that class and see if it's going to show. Or I can even use open it. So Applet, let me make sure the name I spell it correctly. happyface.class, code type, code ID. Okay, let me check with if I use Applet tag. Okay, with the Applet tag, code equals and provide a class happyface.class and just close the applet. So that's the syntax for HTML, always open and close. Refreshing it. We have happyface.class